What happens when an ancient, lethal spore wakes up and decides to attack the very foundation of human civilization? That empire of steel and concrete we spent hundreds of years building, it would literally crumble in just a few years. Fast forward 1 year from now, what does the planet look like when every single structure on Earth starts to corrode? 1 year after humanity vanished, the fungal spores, awakened from the permafrost, have started spreading globally. This mutated mycelium is now feeding on the very things that define modern civilization: plastic and concrete. Tiny, invisible hyphae are burrowing deep into the cracks of the city's gray infrastructure. It's turning rock-solid concrete structures into something brittle and crumbly, like a sponge. 3 years after humanity vanished, the asphalt covering highways worldwide, along with all the plastic car parts, has been instantly melted down and absorbed. The skyscrapers we were so proud of start collapsing with an epic roar, like sandcastles whose skeletons have rotted away. Landmark high-rises in places like Seoul are failing in chain reactions, turning entire cities into massive ruins. This insane shift signals the complete end of every system humanity ever built. 10 years after humanity vanished, massive bridges built from steel and cement lose all support and snap, and critical infrastructure like power plants and dams grind to a total halt. The empire of steel and concrete, painstakingly constructed over centuries, has fallen helplessly before nature's quiet, lethal decomposers. But on top of these ruins, a whole new ecosystem is blooming. The bizarre, yet stunningly colorful spore ecosystem created by the fungus is starting to carpet the city like a rug. 50 years after humanity vanished, the city now looks like a giant tomb, completely covered in vibrant green and crimson mycelium. 100 years after humanity vanished, the ruins, tangled with humanity's forgotten technology, have been totally absorbed by nature's incredible resilience. Earth wiped away every trace of us in just a couple of centuries. This shows that nature has a terrifying power, the ability to break down even the hardest structures built by humans and replace them with new life. 500 years later, the once noisy Earth, now quiet without humans, is left with only a vibrant green tomb where nature's stunning resilience and humanity's forgotten tech are intertwined, silently documenting the planet's final chapter.